a huge Philips amplifier, which is a woofer, which is an audio speaker, with a very unusual, with the custom adapter. This is its speaker. It is somewhat 5.1 or something. 5.1 systems. The main speaker, rear speakers, and a subwoofer. The only problem with these things is not usable. It's not of any good use with no connection. So I have already chopped off the cables, breathtaking VGA cables. It has so much isolation in it, in hopes that I can find the signals to the woofer, left, right speakers, and several other speakers. Now we have the little part. If everything go accordingly, we will have a new speaker. If not, it is believed to be a common protocol, and there's certain risk. You better have the meter. There's a risk that you would toast the electronic board if it's not in a common protocol, which is not a signal, but it's likely to be a signal. It's just a fancy presentations to use a different adapter, but I think it's the same audio signals to the several various speakers. And meter may not have much reading, but you may have a approach to plug it straight in. Plug it straight in always has straight in. Plug it straight in always has a risk to toast the sensitive electronics. It's really hard to say. We will proceed and we will see how it goes. Now, more bad news. Currently, is power up and plug in the two speaker connected. So the bad news is in standby mode. In the control board there may be a switch to turn on the system. It's a wild guess where the switch is. The switch is hidden. So you are advised to use the meters to obtain the basic reading, so no voltage is gone higher than expected. There seems to be little signal. So it's in standby mode, and in theory, normally you just feed it into the signal, and the speaker may operate, but not in this case. I have not tried. So this is a speaker belongs to one of the Philips DVD player. But it's an old model, so even if you have the DVD player, the plug will be obsoleted. So, which is a VGA cable. This is so there is no any other input than the custom VGA cable. This is why this has been molded. So I have not plugged it in yet. I am going to plug it in a minute. No luck. The system is plug in, currently in a standby mode, and we need to find out where the switch is. There is a handful of wires. Maybe the green wire is the switch. A switch is a wire that, when connected to a ground or some sort, will turn on the system. Where is the switch? We have tried the 3 pairs of wire. There's no related, nothing that related, and historically it's the gray wire, a wire with color gray, or maybe it's a green wire, maybe it's an orange wire. The black wire may not be, hopefully be the ground, but normally the black wire would be the ground. And maybe the switch is the red wire, maybe it's the white wires. And there's certainly a very fun way to find out where the switch is. No luck with these speakers. An attempt has been made to cross the wire, but nothing works. The main board won't turn on. The condition for this to initiate it is not simply by switch. I think it's more complex signal than simply switching. And well, that's how Philips wants the speakers to operate, and there's no third-party interest should get a hand on the hardware. So this hardware is sealed, the control board cannot be initiated.